loitering detection system. So loitering is nothing but in certain place some people just moving around in term of any intention, like in theft or just moving or just chilling. So this system can be useful with college campus, mall, or parking area. So multiple places where we can use implement this system. So to run the system, you just have to open the project folder, and you have to open the CMP into the particular location by just typing this like Python start.py. You will be good to start the project. Okay, so with this command you can start a project, and by clicking in this address bar and just typing the CMD, you can able to directly open the terminal into particular location. Okay, so this is the home page uh, for our project. So basically, we have implemented two algorithms. One is YOLO, and second one is YOLO tinying. Okay, so YOLO tiny is a small version. It is less accurate, but it has a good, very good performance. Okay, the YOLO one is accurate, but the performance in terms of compared to YOLO tiny model, it's less. Okay, so both having their own advantages. So if you have good processing a processor or GPU RAM, then you can go with YOLO, or if you have less, then you can go with Tiny. Okay, so first we'll go with Tiny. Okay, so when you click to Tiny model, so then it will ask you okay, whether you want to detect a loitering from camera or video. Okay, so you can choose camera as well. Yeah, just you can just choose the camera and just move around the area. Okay, but as of now I'll be choosing video. So you can go to the project folder. I have given you some test data, like I have given you some test videos. Okay, so you can pass any video. Okay, so I'll be choosing this one. So in the terminal, you can see the logs. Okay, key system has it started loading the model. So it can take time around 30 second or 40 second, depending upon your laptop performance. It take the time as it is completely loading the deep learning model and YOLO model. So sometime it take time, but when you run it second time, then it will up quickly. Okay, so as you can see, this is the output window. So so here you can see there are two peoples are there. So system has detecting those people. Okay, and they have started the like tracking to the particular people. So as you can see, there are some two peoples. Those are trying to like loitering. So as you can see, system has detected key it is loitering, right? So the this yellow text is not our recommendation. This blue text is our system output. Okay, the yellow text is it was there already in recorded video. Okay, similar way you can pass any other video too. Just like let me select some other video. Uh, Go to this and just go to test data, and then you can pass any video like test 7. There's one more module is there, alert module. Like if loitering has detected, then system will send a email on to admin with the uh, capturing by frame. Okay, so that is also alert system is there. So as you can see, this is not our answer. Our system is giving this output loitering detection in this blue box. So as you can see, the system has detected this is the person one, which system has allocated ID one, and it is detecting and if person is loitering, then it will convert. It will box draw a blue box. Okay, similar way you can go with uh, this YOLO model. It has also same functionality. Just the only thing is it is more accurate and it takes time. So I'll give you the demo. So suppose I go to test video and I choosing some video. So like that. So as you can see, so now it will take some time. In the terms of tiny model, it just to load and quickly give the output window, right? But in terms of this YOLO, it will take some time because it is like around 2 300 200 300 MB weight file, so it takes time to load it. Okay, if you have good CPU, then you don't need to worry. Okay, I think it has ended. So let me choose some other video. Let me pass this one. As you can see, this is taking too much time. So I think there is some error is occurring. But yeah, the functionality is same. It is also work like a YOLO tiny model. And if I show you my email, whether I got the alert mail or not. So let me go to my email. So here you can see we have just tried, and we have here you can see we have got a particular timestamp. Stamp loitering as detected along with the image. So that will be very helpful in case of camera based model, right? So yeah, so this is the our approach. Okay, and we have used YOLO algorithm, and for the person tracking we have used deep shot algorithm, and for the alert we have used Gmail Gmail library, and for detecting loitering we have mentioned one threshold value. If you go to your project folder now, there is one file called constant file. So if you open this constant file, there is a time limit, so you can increase the time limit. So as of now I have mentioned key if certain person goats appear for 10 seconds, okay, so then it is taking as a lottery. You can increase, like if you want 30 second, you want 1 minute, it's up to you. Okay, okay, how much time you want to take it as a lottery. Okay, so whatever time you will mention here, it will take it as a threshold value, and it will detect the lottery. If particular person is like for certain time it keep there, so then it will throw alert, or it will create a beep sound. Okay, so yeah, so this way it working. Okay, do let me know in case of any issue or doubt.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend.